Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mint kahwa. To begin, you will need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of fresh water, 2 green cardamom pods, and 1 small cinnamon stick. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of quality green tea leaves and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of sugar or honey on hand for that perfect touch of sweetness. Now, let's start brewing our aromatic base. Pour 1 cup of water into a small saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil. Once the water is bubbling, add your 2 crushed green cardamom pods and the small cinnamon stick. Let these wonderful spices simmer together for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step truly allows their rich flavors to infuse into the water, creating a fragrant foundation for your kahwa. Next, we'll infuse the fresh mint. Take the saucepan off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves. Immediately follow by adding your fresh mint leaves to the hot, spiced water. Cover the saucepan tightly and allow the mixture to steep for about 3 to 4 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for the mint and green tea to release their full flavors and aromas, creating a truly refreshing beverage. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious mint kahwa. Carefully strain the brewed kahwa into your favorite serving cup, ensuring all the tea leaves and spices are removed. If you prefer a sweeter taste, stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar or honey to your liking. Your warm, aromatic mint kahwa is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a perfect, soothing drink for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.